Hi guys, welcome to my ArcoLinux ISO Builder. Topic of the video is the fact that sometimes the ArcoLinux Tweak Tool crashes, right? Now we're making our small steps into Python and programming, and I'll certainly share it later, but it's basically because SDDM has a configuration file, and we'll make future videos about how we are going to move to 2 files instead of 1. But in the meantime, if your ArcoLinux Tweak Tool crashes, it's because of the SDDM configuration file, and we have created a fix for it. So fix-sddm-config is just a alias that's gonna run a script, and that script is gonna get the proper SDDM configuration. Then you set the theme that you like, and all will be well. Simple as that. So it's going to go to the internet, and you see it's gonna get the very last way of defining sddm.conf and put it on your system, and we'll make a separate video for that because it's technical and it needs to be done. There are 2 files in the future, not only sddm.conf but also sddm.conf.d folder, and a setting in here, and this is where the future settings will be, and the tweak tool is already adapted for it, so we can do both the old way and the new way, and you can set it in here SDDM, and we'll no longer need the SDDM config editor. We're gonna remove this guy, right? So I have to set everything back because I got the standard, and the standard does not auto login, and I have XFCE as standard, and I definitely like Materia. And voila, apply settings, and settings saved successfully. So next time I'll log in with the ArcoLinux Materia, but yeah, I will auto log in, so I'll never see Materia. All right, that's it, guys. If you see a failing ArcoLinux Tweak Tool, run the fix, tell to other people, and everything will be okay. Cheers.